Well, I'm going to have to go to the store, but before I go to the store, I'm going to add up all the bulbs in the different rooms to get at the store. But, you know, I'm in here. We just moved into this place, and I ended up using Simple Green for cleaning all kinds of stuff in the bathroom. You gotta get some of this stuff. I'm just getting ready to do this floor. Simple Green, yeah. I cleaned off the outside of the cabinets, the inside of the drawers, wiped them all out with the sponge. Where's my sponge at? You just use a little kitchen sponge. You know, like this. It's got the you know, the scouring side and the sponge side. And whenever we use those in the kitchen, once they get all dirty, then I use them out in the garage, and I use them for cleaning. And I cleaned off the side of the cabinet, the top of the, I even went up there on the top of the cabinet. That was all icky up there, and it probably hasn't been done for ever since this place was built. But then I cleaned off the inside, wiped them all off. You'd be surprised all the stuff that you can get off of here, and the different things when you start using your sponge and the scouring side. Use your Simple Green. Then I had my Homer bucket from Home Depot, the Home Depot Homer's all-purpose bucket. Yes. Just put yourself a little bit of water in there, rinse your sponge out, and away you go. Try that next time you want to do cleaning. You know, if you've been watching my videos, you know I use Simple Green for everything. All right, time to go and finish this bathroom so I can get on to the next bathroom. The only thing I have to do now is just the floor. And I've got to come in here on this next bathroom, and I've got to do this, the same thing. I've got to clean off this mirror, and I'm going to take down all of these covers. And I also see there's some paint overspray. See that right up in there? And there's probably some more around on the sides and on the top edge of the mirror, and this is all dusty. See, there's some more paint right there, and there's some more right there. And I'm just going to do a once over and do a really super good job. Of course, I'm going to use a Simple Green up there too, but I'll use the Windex. I use some regular Windex on the mirror. And see, here's my sheetrock knife. I always have some extra sharp blades in here, so I just took one of those off. And then I just hold this, and I use this for my razor scraper. Make sure you use a sharp one, and be real careful when you're going on the mirrors, because the last thing you want to do is start scratching your mirrors. Okay, then I'll wipe the counter off, the sink off, all these cabinets on the inside and out, the floor, and you know, they just got done painting in here, so I don't have to do the baseboards or anything. If you have your baseboards, you can spray your Simple Green on that when you're doing the floor. Make sure you get the top edge. Of course, get the top edge. Do your light switches too, top edge, and all that up here on the top. You can even do your doors too, but we've got these all freshly painted, so I don't have to do that. But you know, use your Simple Green. You got a bathroom like this, you can make it look really super good. See all the different spots in here on the floor? All that stuff's going to go away with my Simple Green. Try it next time. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. What are we going to talk about next time? We might talk about these door hinges, what I'm going to do with those. And why am I going to do anything with those? Well, I'll talk to you about that next time. Look for it on my channel.